Wow, it's very large.
Yeah.
Hello.
So in this area,
Oh yeah, I can see where the parts are
Yeah.
here. Lovely. Even these parts are in, or maybe they
they're
painted,
colored,
yeah,
painted,
matched.
but, matched to the leather color. And this is already leather.
Oh really? This? Wow.
So we put the leather here, and then we sign by hand with the cast. And at the end, you have, I will show you at the back, you have maybe 30 parts, which gets one seat at the end.
Okay.
And everything is done by hand.
But you create your own casks?
We do our own cups. Yeah.
You can see this part, you see it's clad in leather. I mean, imagine the amount of work.
Yeah. And we can cut the leather with this machine going down to 0.3 millimeters.
And that you have like, what is it, like 4 or 5 full-time employed people doing work on the saddlery. Yeah, only saddlery.
Okay. I think we are from 8 to 10 person in this area.
Wow. Yeah, it's funny when you travel in a Panamera Turbo, you think life is pretty good, but then you think like, oh, your floor mats are like, yeah, plastic. It's like, what have I been sitting in? When you see the attention to detail.
But this is like, this leather is much thinner than.
Yeah, we go down to, I think maybe this is 0.8.
Yeah.
And we can go down to 0.3 millimeters.
It's like paper. It's
yeah.
crazy thin.
And do you see, like, is the demand increasing for interior work, or is it more exterior work, or is it 50-50?
It's more exterior work, but what is increasing is the exclusive interior work.
Yeah,
so
like the Supreme.
Yeah.
Where, because I can see that when you go and you see some Brabus products, where interior 50,000 euros for the interior only is normal.
Yeah.
When you hear it, you think it sounds steep, but when you see the attention to detail and the amount of work that goes into to it's incredible.
Oh, and we can go backstairs to see. So perhaps the Supreme, which we have in Geneva, it's also, we do a lot of saddlery work on the inside.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
And this is very exclusive, and we always try to find a step to be a bit distance to Porsche. They improve more and more to give the customers maybe red stitching, blue stitching, everything. So we have to find new solutions to present something to the customer which is more exclusive, more made for the customer how he wishes to have. And so this is what we do here. So if there's a car around the world which have an exclusive interior, it is done here. So one
in this building
is to send the parts here, but it's better if we have like the Supreme, a complete leather interior, also with the floor. Then
wow! You immediately can feel the smell of the leather.
This is the quiet area.
So here we have the leather like we saw in Panamera.
Wow!
And we have a lot of original leathers here beside, which is original Porsche color.
Hundreds of cows here.
The meat we eat already.
Yeah! Wow! I like this. I really like champagne-ish. I can smell this. It's gorgeous. And these are for ventilated seats?
Yeah, for ventilated seats.
Exactly, with a stitching. Wow. And it seems like this color worked well. I mean, you sold the Supreme after one day, and so you do another.
Yeah. And
Saddlery for Techart.
Yeah. Now he cuts the leather.
Oh yeah.
he can measure if he has the right thickness, and it depends on which part it comes.
It goes on. It's a really high pressure.
So and you can even do it thinner if you like.
Grand GT bag.
Well, that's nice.
Här är värmen.
We do the steering wheels here.
Oh yeah, beautiful. Wow.
So,
Yeah, here.
for example, so this is with our own cast. If you feel it, this is very hard and thin, let me say. And in this configuration later, you can. It's much stronger and it's a bit bumpy maybe.
Yeah.
So it has much more grip and you can configure it like you ever want.
But this is Porsche parts.
This is Porsche part, So we change only the seat around.
But you could really individualize it really on.
Yeah.
And here is Alcantara on this one. I guess.
Alcantara, you can have it with heating, with everything.
Wow. And also, as we saw, you have the change color here and just have how individualized you want. Then you can put on the part, and if you use temperature, you can maybe move it a bit until it fits for all the time.
Okay. But it's a dangerous glue, or
No.
Oh, it's not.
No.
Because of the ventilation.
Yeah, but
You have to change the employee. Okay. That's there. Wow.
But is it a problem that the leather absorbs the glue, or
No. It's just with this combination we have, it helps us to fix it in the right position.
Okay.
And maybe if the leather works a bit, then you can adjust
Stretch
it.
it?
And what part is that? Is that a part of the seat?
It's, I think, part of the seat. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's from here, from the side.
Exactly. And this is original. This was it.
This seat is already original.
Yeah.
We just have it here to do a study test for the school. So they train for the school. So we have some young people here which are learning this job. For example, she is learning it.
Yeah.
And so she does test part, and they have to do work for the school.
Sounds like a fun school. I would like to attend that school. Much more fun school than I did. I dropped off my daughter here. Like, she doesn't like cars. Maybe she'll start to appreciate. Yeah, and incredible. Now it's
To really stretch and
it's already glued on. Wow.
Okay.
Yeah, it's. I mean, that. Bye. Auf Wiedersehen. Attention to detail. Lovely. Supreme GT bags and Sattler Eye.
For the Sport Turismo, which we have in Geneva.
Oh yeah, I remember that interior.
Yeah, the interior is about 60,000 euros.
But that was very special. It was some very special leather, very thick.
Yeah, it's a natural leather, which is handle more biology, not using too much chemical to do it and to have a bit a life spirit inside.
Is that a special product from Techart? Is a special name of that leather? It's called natural leather?
No, it's a kind of subtle leather which is used maybe in the horse industries and everywhere. But we got it with the configuration to use in cars, because you have to be careful of the using, you have to be careful of the light, so from the sun. And all these things are included even in this leather, and so we can use also in the cars.
But you also do regular leather, not
we
that...
We also do regular leather, starting from old cars, doing a new interior, maybe from old-timers, from classic cars, going up to do small modifications, maybe colored stitching or doing some paintwork on the interior, like the customer wishes, going up to leather seats and floor mats.
We have the new Panamera Grand Coupé, Grand GT Supreme. And here we have the estate. Looks quite neat. Very good. This interior is lovely. Grand GT Supreme with a matching bag, reel. Look at that rear diffuser. And leather even on the speaker, it looks like. This interior is incredible. Even look at the roof. It's beautiful. Hello.